What's good, YouTube? Welcome back again to another video, man. You already know it's me, Gymaholic. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to say thank you for all the support you've been giving me. You know, it really means a lot. Even if it's just one person that's giving me the support, I really appreciate it. But yeah, anyway, let's skip the sentimental crap and let's start with the video. How to boost your testosterone using magnesium. Alright, man, today we will talk about what magnesium is and where you can get it, how much your body needs and the effects of magnesium, all the good stuff as always. So what is magnesium and where can you get it? Magnesium comes in different forms, which are magnesium citrate, magnesium oxide, and magnesium glucinate. You can get magnesium from leafy greens like spinach or kale, nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews and pumpkin seeds, whole grains like brown rice, quinoa and oatmeal, or dairy products like milk and yogurt. You know, just the basic stuff, guys. You don't need to supplement with all of that crap if you can get it from your own food sources, you know. So how much magnesium your body needs, it depends on the age, gender, lifestyle and all that good stuff. Babies between the ages of 0 and 6 months old need 30 milligrams. Babies between the ages of 7 to 12 months old need 75 milligrams, of course. Children in the ages 1 to 3 years old need 80 milligrams. Children between the ages of 4 to 8 need 130 milligrams, and children between the ages of 9 and 13 need 240 milligrams. And then once you're a teenager between the ages of 14 to 18, it's 410 milligrams for men and 360 milligrams for women. Adults is between the ages of 19 to 30 is 400 milligrams for men and 310 milligrams for women, and adults with 31 to, I don't know, like 170 years old need 420 milligrams for men and 320 milligrams for women. The benefits of magnesium, of course, is improved health. It increases your bone health and helps prevent osteoporosis, which, if I'm not wrong, is if your bone becomes like your bone health diminishes, you know. It reduces cardiovascular diseases, which lowers blood pressure and reduces inflammation. You get better sleep. It improves your sleep quality and duration. It reduces muscle cramps, which helps you relax the muscles, which is all the good stuff if you're trying to pack on some meat, you know. And improved mood, it reduces anxiety and depression symptoms. So that's it, man. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Comment questions on what other videos you want, all of that good stuff. And if you enjoyed the content, you should try to watch this video right over here. You know, it's pretty good if I do say so myself. And yeah, man, that's it for me. Goodbye.